Best raisins in the world.
Eat.
Grand Monte. Only from Grand Monte. Alright, and now we are... Oh, I'm sorry. So right now, we are at Safe One. It's a night market in...
Dama.
Apparently there was a big fight in the car.
Dam.
Yeah, it all happened because Potae didn't know where to go. Where's Potae?
He clanged to the girl.
Oi! Oi! Okay, so anyway, Potae's not coming, but let's go and walk around and let's go do some shopping and stuff. So we're at Safe One, as in Korat.
Yeah, it's Pasar Malam.
It's the famous night market right here in Korat. So I think when we came here like many years.
Singapore boy.
Oh my gosh, they're still fighting. I have no idea why. But anyway, when we came like many years back, it was just a small area, but we're back.
They expanded. They bought over the houses here, then they tear it down.
We don't really have a lot of time, but we'll just see what we can do and have some fun. Good. Not bad. It's a bit dry, but packs of punch of flavors right inside there. Alright, so that comes to the end of our time at Safe One. This place has changed so much. It's like really big and massive. It's got food, clothes, bags, shoes, whatsoever. You got whatever you want to find, you can come to Safe One and get it. It's time to hit back. So
if you come to Korea, you might. This is the must-come place.
Yeah, it's a must-come place. So yep, it's a wrap for day 2. So day 3 tomorrow. Yeah.